In a quiet morning, a commuter feels a strange pulse behind the eyes as bright sun floods the street. Without warning, a storm of sneezes erupts, not from choice, but from a photic reflex wired in some people. Her breath hitches, eyelids flutter, and each sneeze reshapes the moment into a brighter memory. Scientists note this hereditary quirk affects roughly 10 to 30% of people, turning daylight into an unpredictable chorus. On the train, she smiles at the odd gift and rides the automatic gusts forward.